Hello class 9th. We are studying the first chapter of your chemistry book, Matter in Our Surroundings, in which till now we studied about the matter, properties of matter, types of matter, states of matter, and what is the effect on the states of matter there when we change the temperature. Now the next is what will be the effect on the state of matter if we change the pressure, effect of change of pressure on the state of matter. So just as the temperature change, when if you change the temperature by increasing it or decreasing it, anyway you already studied the pressure, the state of the matter can be changed, in which you studied the different procedures: condensation, evaporation, sublimation, deposition, and etc. है ना? Now we'll study effect of change of pressure. Now one thing you need to know here is, similarly as that of temperature, pressure change can also create a change in the state of matter. The physical state of matter can also be changed by changing the pressure. Now first of all, what is pressure? Pressure is force per unit area. If you are applying a force on a particular area, you are applying pressure. If you will divide the amount of force by the area on which you are applying it, you will get a quantity which is known as pressure. Okay. So force per unit area is pressure. We will study it in physics chapter in detail later on. Okay. So for till now, force per unit area is pressure. Now for that, for example, we are having a container. In that container, we put gas. Now what is the property of gas in terms of its particle? इनका जो intermolecular force होता है, intermolecular force, that is very less, and intermolecular spacing is very high. ठीक है, these are not actually the terms, I have just written in down in short form. Intermolecular force is very less in case of gases, and intermolecular spacing is very high, है ना? So now you have applied a piston on this and you move it downward. That means you are applying force. That means you are applying pressure on it. So what will happen? After some time, the piston will move downwards. The gas will have a lower volume for it to occupy. पहले वो गैस इतना वॉल्यूम में थी, अब वो गैस केवल इतने वॉल्यूम में, बट द गैस इज स्टिल, अमाउंट ऑफ गैस इज सेम. So for example, we are having 20 atoms of the gas here, 20 particles of the gas here. ठीक है ना? तो वो 20 particles के लिए पहले इतना सारा वॉल्यूम था, अब वॉल्यूम कम हो गया. You keep on pressurizing the piston, you keep on applying the force, and at one condition, what will happen? The intermolecular force between the particles will increase, and the intermolecular spacing between the particle is decreased to a level that in that condition, this gas is converted into the liquid. So we can say that a gases can be liquefied by applying pressure and lowering the temperature. बिकॉज टेम्परेचर चेंज आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. टेम्परेचर को जब आप चेंज करते हैं, जब आप टेम्परेचर को कम करते जाते हैं, तो गैस क्या हो जाएंगी? लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट. सेम हैपन्स व्हेन यू अप्लाई द प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर को डिक्रीज करेंगे, प्रेशर को इंक्रीज करेंगे, तो जो गैसेस हैं वो क्या हो जाएंगी? लिक्विफाई हो जाएंगी. इसको हम नॉर्मल तरीके से, दिस इज वाज जस्ट द इफेक्ट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द स्टेट ऑफ गैस, है ना? नाउ दिस इज सॉलिड, you have liquid and you have gases. Solid से liquid में conversion होता है, liquid से gases में conversion होता है. So this type of conversion from solid to liquid and liquid to gas, you need to increase the heat, that means increase the temperature and decrease the pressure. ठीक है? And for gases to liquid and liquid to solid, that means in reverse direction, you need to decrease the heat, that is decrease the temperature and increase the pressure. So if you increase the pressure and decrease the temperature of our gases, it will convert into liquid. For liquid, if you increase the pressure and decrease the temperature, it will convert into solid. Now if you want to convert a solid into liquid, you have to increase the heat and decrease the pressure. For liquid to gas conversion, you also need to increase the heat and decrease the pressure. यानी फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट मूव करने के लिए यू नीड टू इंक्रीज टेम्परेचर एंड डिक्रीज प्रेशर, फ्रॉम राइट टू लेफ्ट के लिए डिक्रीज टेम्परेचर एंड इंक्रीज pressure. That is, gases can be turned into liquid by compression and cooling. Compression is when you are applying the pressure, you are compressing it. So this is, you are applying the pressure, that means you are trying to compress it, है ना? And cooling, you are decreasing the temperature, that means you are cooling it. Dry ice is an example. Dry ice is a substance, basically I need to tell you in the sublimation also. Dry ice we called to solid CO2. It's not actually the ice that we are talking about, the ice H2O. Solid CO2 is known as dry ice. It is a white color substance. जो CO2 गैस होती है, अगर हम उसको solid कर दें, उसको solid form में convert करें, तो that is known as dry ice. And that CO2 is actually a sublime product. ठीक है, if you heat it, that CO2 will not be converted into liquid, but it will directly vaporize in the atmosphere. So this is the effect of change of pressure on the substances, है ना? So if we increase the pressure and decrease the temperature, gases can be converted into liquid and liquid can be converted into solid. Okay, thank you.